We're going to start by lifting up on this coolant reservoir. Pretty simple to remove, just push straight up.
Wow!
And make sure not to rest this on its side because it can spill the coolant that is inside. In addition, do not rest it against your catalytic converter here because if your car has been running, it's going to be very hot and it will melt your plastic. The passenger side is much easier to get to, but after watching this video, it'll be extremely easy to do both sides and you can do it pretty quickly. When handling the bulbs, try not to touch the actual bulb itself. Any oil on your fingers will make the bulb bubble when it heats up. The LEDs are much more forgiving, but if you're using the original halogen, the yellow style, that's going to be much worse and it can make the bulb fail. So to avoid this, handle it by the base, or you could use latex gloves to avoid that extra oil getting on the bulb itself. Try to hear for a click or make sure that it is on secure so that no water or debris gets in. Align the reservoir, and you're going to push down and hear a click. Give it a wiggle to assure that it's fastened securely. On the driver's side, if you need more space, you can remove this battery, but I really do not think you need to remove it. And it'll also be much quicker. When unfastening the bulb, I'm going to use my right hand and either my thumb and my index or my pointing finger. And with both hands, I'm going to rotate the bulb and pull outward. Super simple, that took about 5 seconds. Next, we want to test for polarity, and to save some time, a pro tip is put your high beams on before installing it back into the housing. Here you can see that my driver's side isn't working, so it'll save you a little bit of time by not having to put it back in and taking it out. So what we're going to do is flip it at the socket 180 degrees because this is polarity sensitive. Make sure it's secured to the base, and we're going to test again. Perfect, and here we could assure that the high beams work. And to reinsert it, again, use your right hand and you're going to kind of pull it towards you and you're going to help your left hand rotate it. Make sure it is snug and secure in the socket. Alright, that was easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Give any feedback, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, great evening. Peace.